Might be just the throttle cable. Nope. Got it. All right. See, this baby will bark off. Hear that, don't you? It runs. And I'm leaking oil out of the cover I pulled off because it only had like 2 bolts. So it runs. It's ready to pull. I get it pulled one day. If that didn't wake my child up, I don't know what will. So this is part of this series somehow. All right. My work's done there. Wow. I flew out. Let's get that out because I got to put these covers back on. Because it's still going to sit out here for a while until I get to it. I'm not pulling the engine right now. Lord, no. Because I'm pulling it out with a Sawzall.